Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, September 8th, and today I have a huge collection of fabric for you, and one of our favorite handmade market vendors is returning, and they have some amazing giveaways, so be sure to stay tuned for that. This collection is called Baby's Adventure. Send baby on an adventure through the stars under a quilt from this dreamy collection by Erilyn Wiederhold. You'll find stars, moons, lions, giraffes, and more in shades of blue and gray with yellow accents. And this is by Wilmington Prints. And as you can see, we have a lot of prints by Wilmington Prints. So let's dig in. I went ahead and pulled the clip off of this one so that we could see the border stripe. Very, very cute. And see if we can cruise through. I like the combination of zoo animals and the sky. Maybe that's how the astronomers or whoever came up with the constellation names. Who knows? Oh, look at that. It's like I was thinking ahead. Maybe I should design fabric in my next life. And then we have diagonal stripes, which are always great for bindings because you can cut straight grain and still have diagonal design, which makes for a really nice, easy binding that looks like you did more work than you did, which is always a plus in my book. If it looks harder than it is, that just makes people appreciate it more. And we have stars on gray. Oh, this next one has some nice little words in it. Baby, it's your time to shine. Shoot for the moon. Shine bright. And we have that on gray as well. And then just as a reminder, we also have the 10-inch stackers, which include pieces of everything in here. And we have 42 pieces per pack. And then we have some great dots, because who doesn't like dots? I love a good polka dot. More dots on white. And then we have a couple of cloud groups. I love that. So you could really create a quilt all with the gray colorway or all with the blue, or you could do a combo. And then we have sweet sleeping moons in 2 colors. So again, that's called Baby's Adventure. It's available in the shop and online now, and we do ship worldwide. So if you're watching from another country, thank you for watching, and you can definitely order this collection for the next baby in your life. Now over here we have J&S Woodworking samples. We love J&S Woodworking, and we carry their quilt ladders, their clappers, and their magnetic pen bowls and pen holders here at the shop. So this first one is a bowl made out of elm and turned on a lathe. The bowl can be used as a snack bowl, or it can be used for decorative purposes. Look how pretty that is. It almost looks like a map. That's gorgeous. And then we have a dough bowl. I don't see the dough bowl. Maybe that's the dough bowl. There's one made of cherry wood, so it's got to be darker. Maybe it's this one. A dough bowl is cut into shape and then gouged or carved out to make the inside bowl. The bowl is food safe and can be used for decorative purposes. We're going to say that's what that one is. Next we have, this is definitely the Christmas tree, made of walnut and maple, and there will be Christmas and Halloween items available at the market. Next we have this gorgeous cutting board, which is made of mixed woods such as bloodwood, sapele, and maple. All of the cutting boards are food safe and can be used for its obvious purpose, or it can be used as a charcuterie board. And then this is one of the first things I pulled out of their box. I love this. This is a little bandsaw box. Look how cute that is, and the shape is awesome. Cut on a bandsaw and can be made into almost any shape. The drawer is lined with felt and holds your small treasures. And they're going to have several different versions of these available at the market. And then for giveaways, this is their first giveaway. It's a small cutting board made of mahogany. You can use it as a cutting board or a snack or cheese board. And then this one, we're going with that Lazy Susan thing again. This is made out of mixed woods such as mahogany, maple, walnut, and oak. And it has this great Lazy Susan base on it. So you can spin it to your heart's content.
A DJ.
I'm a DJ. I'm spinning all the tunes. So that's what we have for you today. Of course, J&S will be at our market on October 14th. And if you'd like to get into the running to win one of their 2 giveaways, all you have to do is comment where you're seeing this video. If you're not local, we will ask you to pay actual shipping charges, or we'll ask you to place an order and we'll put your winning item in the box with your things. Whew, that was a lot to say. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.